There's something Heifers turn and make a killing on. There's several groups these open F1 selling today. Hey, so I'll probably have 100 of them. I bet, yeah. Tire straps never exposed to bull. Ready for Toro. Good, getting your good cattle. There's more over there. Let's see if I can walk. Let's walk around there, girl. Hey. Hey. They're all the same. They're all open Heifers. These are 5, a little behind, about 15 behind me. Quality's good, good, good. Oh, there's probably 70 here. Anyway, yeah. Hey, hey. So those ones the Heifers turn out and make a fortune on, these are the ones. Good looking Heifers. I'm jumping video slowly, so another pin, let me see. But the quality's all, I mean, pretty much the same. You know, maybe one of these groups down here may be a little more chocolate types in there. Yeah, this one here is a few of the Heifers that are still F1s, but you know, just straight stripe, a little white on them, not full ball these. And the quality's gonna be good.